This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to add nostrils to your amigurumi project. For this tutorial, I highly recommend using a disappearing ink marker, which you can purchase at any craft store. We're going to mark out two U-shapes on the snout that will show us where to crochet. Start by marking two groups of 3 stitches evenly spaced on the snout. Then mark the stitches directly before and after each group of 3 on the previous round. With matching yarn, create a slip knot on your hook. Turn the head so the top is facing you, then slip stitch in one end of the marked out U-shape. Make 2 half double crochets in the next 3 stitches, then slip stitch in the last marked stitch. Repeat on the other side, then hide the tails inside the work. Hide the tails inside the work. Your nostrils are now complete. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified about my future videos. Thanks for watching!